Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Power here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see a special demo call for 1st of March. This call which you are able to see on screen has already been given to the paid clients at 10:43 a.m. that you are able to see on the screen. This is 1st March call, expiry is 4th March, and this call has been given to the paid clients at 10:43 a.m. But till now, till 11 o'clock, Nifty call has not activated, Nifty put has not activated, Bank Nifty call and put both not activated. Means Nifty call and put, Bank Nifty call and put both have not crossed the entry price till now. So you can track this call for the day, and this call is given on my Telegram channel. If you want to join this Telegram channel, then you need to search in Telegram t.me/Sunil Power Option King, t.me/Sunil Power Option King. If you join this channel, the benefit of joining this channel is you will get the demo calls like today every day, every week, and not every day but every week you will get a demo call, and every day you will get the performance update of my paid calls. 3814 subscribers have already joined this channel, so you can join. And this is the demo call that is given now. This is live market demo call that was given at 10:43 a.m. so we need to follow only 3 rules to trade these calls. The first rule is, if Nifty call 14,800 crosses 167.70, then we will buy, otherwise not. Nifty put 14,800, if crosses 203.25, then we will buy, otherwise not. Same rules for Bank Nifty. This is rule number 1. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is, if trader enters into call, for example, Nifty call 14,800 crosses 167.70, trader enters into call and target is not hit but the stop loss is hit. If, for example, I am just telling the example, for example, if call hits the stop loss, immediately exit from the trade. The moment it hits the stop loss of 128.80, exit the trade and wait for put to activate. If put crosses the entry price, if put 14,800 crosses 203.25, then enter into put with double quantity. If put does not cross its entry price, if put does not activate and call again activates, if again call Nifty call 14,800 crosses 167.70, then buy call again with double quantity. This is rule number 2. Rule number 3. If whatever call activates, Nifty call or put, whichever activates, if it hits the target within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If the trader is buying 2 lots, 1 lot he can book on target, other lot he can carry till 3:20 p.m. where it can become double, triple. Now, why this call is a special call? Because I was just going through this option chain of Nifty. This is option chain of Nifty, and Nifty is standing here 14,750. Current price is around 14,750. This is very small analysis. This is not exhaustive, or this is not complete conclusive analysis. This is just simple analysis. If we read this chart, we can understand Nifty is standing at 14,750, but if you see the volume on call side, it is a big volume. Like on 14,800 the buying is heavy, on 14,900 buying is heavy. If you see 15,000 strike, calls are being bought heavily. You can see the volume, and this is the volume by 11 o'clock only. Then if you go ahead and 15,100, 15,200, on call side there is heavy buying, you can see, and on put side similarly on 14,700 the buying is not that much. If you compare it is on a lesser side. So calls buying is heavy, puts buying is not that much. I mean, it is comparatively less. Number one. Number two, if you see, this is buying because all calls are positive, all puts are negative. If you see this percent change, but this is because of market has opened with gap up. But I can say puts are getting return. I mean, traders are writing puts heavily and buying calls heavily. This is the situation as of now. This situation can change because this data does not tell us the complete picture. We are just trying to read this. Second thing is, second most important thing, if you see here, the change in open interest. If you see, we can see the people are moving from 15,000 strike and 1550 to 15,100 to 15,150, and if you check further strikes, you will find the picture that people are moving from 15,000 strike to the higher strikes. That you can check here. So this was a very small analysis. This is not complete, and this is not going to tell us the exact picture. But what we are finding here, calls, traders are buying calls in heavy quantity and they are writing puts. So this pick is telling us market may move up, and that is why I have given like levels valid for next 2 days. These levels are valid for next 2 days. So let us see. But whatever the data, whatever be the news, we here we are just following the levels. If call crosses the enterprise, then buy call. If put crosses the enterprise, then buy put, and follow all the rules, 3 rules which I have told. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and let's see what happens in these calls. I will update the performance also. So thanks for watching this video.